Good morning, everyone. Myself, Kaustubh, course Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing Center, MNTC Murbad. Today's my shop top topic is Hot Runner Mold. Basically, there are two types of mold, Cold Runner Mold and Hot Runner Mold. Here, my topic is Hot Runner Mold. Hot Runner Mold is more better than Cold Runner Mold because the wastage of plastic material is very less. So most of the companies prefer Hot runner mold. For hot runner mold, we are using thermoplastic material like ABS, PP, PE, POM, and different materials having different temperatures. Content: what is hot runner mold? Definition: what does hot runner mold do? Parts, advantages, and disadvantages. What is hot runner mold? A hot runner system is an assembly of heated components which injects the material into the cavities of the mold. A hot runner system usually includes a heated manifold and a number of heated nozzles. Definition: a hot runner mold consists of heated components, generally by electricity, used inside the plastic injection mold, which brings the molten plastic from the barrel of an injection molding machine into the cavities of the mold. What does hot runner mold system do? Maintains plastic material in molten state. Hot runner mold use molten plastic and injects into the cavity. The ideal hot runner system delivers molded parts of uniform density, free from runners, flash, and gates. Thus has taken molding to whole new level. Parts: insulating plate, located ring, top plate, manifold plate, insulated cushion, hot runner screw, hot runner plate, hot runner drop, center insulating cushion, cavity plate, and core plate. These are the parts of hot runner mold. Advantages: low wastage, reduce cycle time, auto degating, improve quality, reduce injection pressure. Disadvantages: high cost, high requirement for equipment. The radiation is difficult to control. Maintenance is very high as compared to cold runner mold. Thank you. Any doubts, ask in comment section.